Where are you? There you are.
You got it? Oh.
You're getting wet. Say thanks a lot, Grandpa.
I'm gonna get you. You better take off the other way. Go the other way.
Go the other way.
Go that way. Go. Okay. Here. Want a water?
Make a basket.
You better take off. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You better take off. You better take off. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
You ran fast, Tyson. Your hair's all wet. How come your hair's wet? Who got your hair wet? Did Grandpa get your hair wet?
Ow.
Ow.
There, want to make a basket? Let's make a basket. Come on down.
Oop.
Let's make a basket. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Step up. Oh, you missed. Get it. Get it again. Back. Back. That's good. That's won't hurt. Come on. Ready? Make it. Yay. Uh-oh. It's stuck again. Get it. Get it.
Ball. Big ball.
Ball, yeah.
Big ball.
Come on. Let's go. Ready?
Ready.
Yay.
Yay.
Get it. Get it. Come on. Yay. Yay. Good one. Whoa. Wet.
Where you sprayed the water is now. Do you want this to sit on?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Tyson! That's a huge bubble. Get him into the stuff.
Whoa.
Hey, make a big one, Grandpa. Oh, it broke.
What?
The handle came off.
Oh, no, I just
Oh.
Oh, yeah. The attention span of a gnat. Bubbles and balls and...